Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to give all information you need for BMW M5, this monster. So let's start right away. First of all, what is M? M is the performance side of BMW. Okay, M performance. You would have heard of it. M performance. This means that it's a performance standard of a basic BMW M. Okay, so BMW M5 is basically based on the 5 series. Well, the 5 series is in India with the models of 530i Sportline, then comes the 530i M Sport, then comes the 520D luxury line, then comes 530D M Sport, and then comes this BMW M5 competition. Now you could see this car and this car. These both car looks like little bit different. So to for your information, this car in front of you now, you could see it's in 6th generation BMW M5, and this is the facelifted model of the 6th generation BMW M5 means 2021 BMW M5. Okay, so it's just a facelift. In engine there is nothing major change. You could see in engine there is no major change. In inside also there is no major change. uh, Only a refreshed look is over here. You could see slimmer light, slimmer kidney grills, new alloy wheel, new color. Well, to be honest now, this color in front of this now is the best color ever I have seen, because you could see this color BMW says frozen red color, frozen red, and you could see just how raw does it looks. And in front of this cherry red color na, it just doesn't has anything. This is only a big thumbs up. So now BMW M5, what makes it different? Makes it different, it is the not 3, not 4, not 6, but 8 cylinder engine inside the bonnet. Means 8 cylinder, 8 cylinder की गाड़ी, V8 engine, which is 4.3 liter. Oh god, means 4.3 liter is such a vast number. ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा गाड़ी में 3.3 लीटर होता है, ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा 3.5 liter, but 4.3 liter is just on another level. This engine is from the supercars. Hilarious engine this is. Now, what power does this produce? The power it produces is 625 horsepower and hilarious torque at 750 Newton meters. 750 Newton meters of blooming torque. This car is an absolute rocket. It's a bonfire super sedan. You could see here are the 4 doors of the car. You could just check. These are 4 doors. So yes, it's the India's most fastest production sedan ever made for now. Okay, you could see just how hilarious it. Now what's the time for 0 to 100? Well, the time it claims from BMW from 0 to 100 is 3.3 seconds. Means 3.3 seconds is just hilarious. You will just close your eyes and open. You are just crossing in country. You are just crossing in another country. It's just so fast, hilariously fast. Now this in front of you now is BMW M5 competition. Means it's much more powerful. Means competition has a bump in power in horsepower. Means simple BMW M5 now was having 600 horsepower, but now BMW has cut it off M5, and in India they have given BMW M5 competition, which makes 25 horsepower more. Means 625 horsepower and 750 Newton meters of torque, which is the same. Okay, but you could see just how hilarious it is. It's an absolute craftsmanship of engine. Just hilarious it is. It's the fastest production sedan in India. 3.3 seconds, hilarious. It could even beat an Lambo. And another fun fact about this car, now you could see from the back, it again got little bit of refreshness. You could see this is the 6th generation facelift model. Huh? You could see that dual quad pipe from the both sides. Just how hilarious does it sound? Well, I have a little clipping of it also. I will show it to you, but let's get to the photos first. You could see just how it is. It's an absolute masterpiece. So you could scare all the 4 guys inside it. And it's nothing about small, huh? It's nothing about small. its length is almost near to 5 meters. Its height is 1.4 meters, means absolutely low, like sports car like stance. And its width is 1.8 meters, means it's not at all a small car. You could see new BMW 2021 BMW M5 competition. You could just see. It's just a masterpiece, oh boy. It's nothing to talk. And BMW 5 Series was basically very big. It was a car for big businessmen as such, because businessmen also loved the interior. You could see the interior, just how luxurious it is. You will never feel that inside the bonnet there is an V8, but still you are pampered with lots of luxuriousness. But yes, it's a truth. You could see just how luxurious it is. It's just hilarious. You could see. Now, what's the difference between the basic 5 series and M5 in the interior? Well, to be precise, now, first of all, you will get a red start stop button for the BMW M5. Then you will get the digital dials. You could see these dials are only option for M5. And the major update over here is on the steering wheel. You could see these two red buttons. Wait, I will show another photo of it. You could see the seats are also major thing, because there is an embossing of BMW M5 and it is all white and black. Just how hilarious comfortable it is. It's just hilarious. You could see now, yes, you could see those two shortcut buttons, red colored. Now, which are those? This one over here means from the left one, yeah, it's the M1, and the right one is the M2. Now, what does it? Well, you have to program these buttons. Means जैसे आप दबाओगे ना, there will be a menu over the touch screen over here, and they will ask which modes you want to configure, which all drivetrains you want to configure, how the steering feedback and feel it is. मीन्स अगर आपने इस पे प्रोग्राम M1 पे प्रोग्राम करके रखा कि M1 दबाते ही कंफर्ट मोड आ जाए, तो फिर एज यू विल पुश इट ना, the car will go to your setting and automatically turn into comfort mode. Same is applied to M2. Means if you have programmed M2 for the sport plus mode and everything in sport plus, so then whenever you will press it now, the car will go to its absolute madness setting, and it will just hilariously go fast. Okay, so what does it price? What is its price? Well, the basic BMW 5 Series starts from 64 lakhs. All and tax including 64 lakhs ex showroom Mumbai. Now, yes, it's not at all cheap, but for the BMW M5 competition now, you have to pay double and double of it, because that engine is absolute master power of it. What? 1 crore 83 lakhs you have to pay for it, but still the performance from it na, it's just hilarious. You could see that masterpiece. It's an V8 V8 are not even used for the supercars, but this car has it. It's an absolute super sedan. It's a bonfire of sedan. You could just check just how hilarious it is. You could just check. This is BMW M5 M Power variant. Just see the attention to detail over here. Even the engine cover is made of carbon fiber. So hilarious. You could see BMW M Power. Yes. Even AMG are not as fast as M, because yes, it's BMW M4, M3 were rear wheel drive. That's why they can be beat. But this car now is all wheel drive. Yes, this car is all wheel drive. Intelligent X all wheel drive BMWs. So it's just hilariously puts all its power to all its tires, and it just shoots like a rocket. Hilarious. That's why it takes just 3.3 seconds for 0 to 100. Just hilarious car this is. You could see. Now I am showing the 6th generation, not the facelifted one, which is now available in India. This facelift one will come nearly December end. This will come to India, but you could see this is over in India. Well, there is no major change in engine. You could just see the styling update, like different lights, slimmer kidney grill, new bumper, etc, etc. There is no major styling over here, but you could see in this frozen color na, This is just worth, yaar. This is just superb. You could just check. And now the fun fact about this car, na, that when it was made, BMW M5, when it was made, the first generation you could see in front of the screen, 1953. This is the model. So you could just check. This was na over those time na. This was the first sedan to have such a powerful engine. So yes, it was called the world's first powerful sedan also. So you could see history of BMW M5. Here are the generations and generations of M5. You could see the first, second, third, fourth, fifth, and the sixth one. It's not uh, seen properly, but you could see it's the sixth generation over here. So yes, in this video you could check out just how hilariously these are part, and these are all the monsters. Don't underestimate this car. This will just kick in your pants. This is just so scary. It's like a nightmare. It's just so hilarious. Well, I have this clipping. Enjoy.